Where pizza meets passion, MAXIS Pizzeria. Indulge in handcrafted pizzas and fresh flavors at MAXIS Pizzeria. MAXIS Pizzeria has been serving deliciously crafted pizzas in Santa Ana, combining traditional recipes with bold new twists. Located at 1017 South Fairview Street, we pride ourselves on our quality ingredients, friendly service, and a welcoming atmosphere perfect for any occasion. When paired with a cold beer or soda, we have something for everyone. Our commitment is simple: great fresh food prepared daily for friends. Welcome at MAXIS Pizzeria, where every bite is made with love and served with a smile, where you can enjoy delicious pizzas and other delectable dishes. Every ingredient is carefully selected to ensure our recipes suit your taste, and everything is always fresh and made to order. MAXIS Pizzeria has been serving deliciously crafted pizzas in Santa Ana, blending traditional recipes. Here you can enjoy a wide variety of dishes made with love for you and with you in mind. Come and enjoy a comforting experience with us with our dishes made for you and your family. High quality fresh ingredients, friendly and attentive service, a warm and inviting atmosphere ideal for any occasion. Whether you prefer a classic traditional pizza or want to try our al pastor sandwich, accompanied by a cold beer or soda, we have options for all tastes. Our commitment is simple: fresh and delicious food prepared daily for friends and for the entire city of Santa Ana and its surroundings. MAXIS Pizzeria has been serving deliciously crafted pizzas in Santa Ana. We have options for all tastes. You are always welcome with our friendly staff and clean facilities. We hope that our Santa Ana community feels welcome and at home. This listing is brought to you by Our Santa Ana. We help connect you with real people, real service, and real neighbors.